morning, dear students of class 8. In your English online learning class, we are going to study letter writing. Now, yesterday we took up a session on writing formal letters. Today we will quickly revise and then we will work on one example. As you all know, children, letter is a written form of communication. Then there are two types of letters, formal letters, informal letters. Informal letters you write to your friends and relatives, and formal letters you write to an office, or it's a letter to the editor, or you write a letter to the principal. Now, coming to the different parts of formal letter, we discussed yesterday, we'll quickly revise. On the top, you will write first your complete address, then date, then after that, the address of the person whom you are writing the letter. Then salutation, dear sir or madam, then subject. Subject you will write in one sentence, very briefly. It should be the main point of the letter. Then the letter can be written in 2 to 3 paragraphs, introductory paragraph. Then comes the main second paragraph, what you have to write, the main topic of the letter, and then the conclusion. Then comes the closing of the letter or a complimentary close. Here you are going to write your signatures, then full name and designation, and on the top when you close this letter, you will write yours faithfully or sincerely, your signature, your name and designation. Now let us work on one example. Letter to the editor. Letter to the editor, Times of India for complaining about loudspeaker nuisance. Now on the top you will write your address, date, the address of the newspaper office. Then subject. Subject would be indiscriminate use of loudspeaker or loudspeaker nuisance. Then, dear sir, I would like to bring your kind attention to the indiscriminate or to the bad use or to the wrong use of loudspeaker. Through the Times of India column, nowadays, loudspeaker have been used by the companies beyond the regulated time in marriages and religious ceremonies or functions. The nuisance causes lot of disturbance to students and adults. I would request senior authorities to consider the concern and take strict measures to stop this nuisance. Efforts for such concern will be appreciated by all. So you see how you have written very briefly. You have first told the problem, that is the wrong use of loudspeaker. Second, you have said that how it is being used. It is being used beyond the regulated time in marriages and functions. Then you have said this nuisance is causing lot of disturbance to students and adults. Now what you want? You want the authorities to consider this and take strict measures to eliminate the nuisance. And this effort is going to be appreciated by all. Then in the complimentary clause, you have written yours sincerely, your signatures and your full name. Now let us look at another example quickly. It is application to the principal, which you all write sometimes. First, your address, can be your name, your roll number, and then class, then to the principal, Delhi Public School, New Delhi, subject sanction of 2 weeks medical leave. Sir, I am a student of class 8A and I am suffering from high viral fever. I have been admitted to the hospital due to extreme weakness. For this reason, I want to apply for 2 weeks leave from 22nd June to 25th June, and I request you to grant medical leave so that I should not fall short of attendance for the final exam. I will be highly obliged for the same. Then the complimentary close, yours sincerely, sign and full name. So today we have done 2 examples of writing formal letter. You will note this in your notebooks, and if you have any problem, you will write in your WhatsApp group or Google Classroom. That's all for today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day.